Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the specifications and complete details about the Samsung Galaxy M52 device. So very soon in India, the Samsung Galaxy M52 will get launched on 28th of September, and few of users, they want to know what are the specifications of this device. What is the fast charging capabilities of this phone and what is the weight of this device, and these are the things which I'll try to cover in this entire video. So try to watch till end of the video friends, because you should know all these kind of things before you spend money on this buying on this device as well. And before this launch event, there's 27th September, iQOO Z5 also getting to launch. And main reason why I did mention the Z5 is because the Z5 and the Samsung Galaxy M52, they both have the same Snapdragon 778G processor. Yes, they both having the same kind of processor only. That's the reason why I did mention. And battery capacity of this Samsung Galaxy M52 will be having about 5000 mAh of battery, so slightly decreased from 7000 previous used to be there. Little bit kind of decreased from 7000 to 5000 M51 and M52. And even in the camera, you can see 64 megapixel main sensor camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro camera lens we do have in the Samsung Galaxy M52. And we do know the physical design, how it looks like on the based upon the images and promotions they did post in Amazon and other websites. So regarding the complete design on the back side. So regarding the UFS storage, still we are not sure what type of UFS storage will be used, UFS 3.1 or 2.2 exactly at this moment, we are not sure. And there will be micro SD card slot as well. That's another advantage with this Samsung phone. So only still few phones only will be maintaining this kind of expandable memory. That's also another good. It can be the hybrid slim slot as well. And next is it comes with the Android 11 and Samsung One UI 3.1. And regarding the display will be having the Super AMOLED Plus display, 120Hz refresh rate, 6.7 inches of screen size. That's also another good thing. There is no information regarding the touch sampling rate of the display. How much the touch sampling rate? There's no information regarding that at this moment. And the weight of the phone is really shocking to see. It's kind of 173 grams. That's what listed, as you can see. 5000 mAh of battery capacity and very slim profile. That's kind of very less weight, I would say. 173 grams. So that's kind of really amazing to see this kind of level of less weight. And next is regarding the cameras, which we did see before, and which can capable of recording the 4K 30 FPS, and front cam is 32 megapixel front camera in the Samsung Galaxy M52. And Wi-Fi, there is a Wi-Fi 6 support as well in this device, and USB Type-C 2.0. Battery 5000 mAh, which we did know before, and the fast charging capabilities is of only 25 watts fast charging. So 25 watts in the 2021, it's very low. At least we should have the minimum of 33 watts or maybe close to 44 watts, somewhere around that. But right now 25 watts, it's kind of not that great, but still you do have the battery capacity, 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So it definitely takes a lot of time, maybe close to 1.5 hours or maybe 1 hour 20 minutes, somewhere around that kind of time it can actually take to charge this Samsung Galaxy M52. Alright friends, my guessing the price of this phone, side mounted fingerprint scanner also is there. So if the price of this phone comes anywhere close to 25,000, it's kind of good. But if it comes close to 30,000, then it's kind of not that great, I would say, because you do have other phones options as well, which are really good. And the processor is of Snapdragon 778G processor, which we did know before. This is the complete walkthrough about the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M52. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.